Hi everyone. I'm often asked how I keep track of my projects, considering all the videos I make and the testing and my own personal projects sometimes, and people say to me, "Oh, put this away," and then I can't remember what it is. Or I hear people asking, "Can somebody help me recognize this pattern?" And I don't remember what hook size, what do you think? Well, honestly, nobody can guess what you were doing unless they were right there with you at the time. So I've had a trick that I've been using for years. I came upon it by accident, it just came to me one day, and I've been doing it ever since. So here's how I do it, because I know people use books, notebooks, some people keep a database, some people keep track on Ravelry, but what if you've got no internet access and you can't get on it? What if you don't have your laptop and you can't look at it? What if you can't find the book or your grandson painted all over it, all these things that can go wrong. So my thought to myself was, I need to keep things together, but I don't have 10 of these spare. So here it is. Here's my solution. And you can actually make these yourself. I bought these for just a couple of dollars from this stationery shop. It was like, I think, $2 in the box. It was just, I don't know, $2 or $3. And it's been, look, I've still got this. I've got hundreds of them left over, and I've been doing this for years. So here's my trick. Make yourself some little tags with a little string tied to the end of them. You know where I'm going with this, I know. Write it straight away. Start your project straight away. Here's a granny square I'm making, for example. I'm using, for example, 8-ply acrylic. If I could spell acrylic would be really good. And I'm using a 4mm hook. The beauty of this is, I'm human, I forget. You can't forget now. You cannot forget what you've been doing here. You thread this through and it's here forever. Now, the other advantage of doing this is I don't have 10 4mm hooks in my purse. I've only got one good one that I really enjoy using. And so, because people suggested, put it in with the project and leave it there. But what if I need that hook? And I take it out and I say to myself, oh, I'll go back, I'll put it back. You never do. I never do. I know I never do. Here's your solution, guys. It's permanent. You put your project away, or you put it down, you walk away, you put it in a cupboard, maybe it's in a timeout. It's all the reasons I can't think of that I like to do this. There it is. Pull it out of the bag. Where am I up to? Let me see. You can even use the back to mark your round numbers. I use pencil with a rubber on the back of it. I'm up to round 10. Boom. Come back, keep going, change it. Now I'm up to whatever, round 30. Boom. There you go. Perfect solution. Don't have to rely on memory. Don't have to rely on having excess hooks. Don't have to rely on anything. And as I said, make it yourself. Grab the junk mail that comes. There's always a card or something in there. Cut some cards up, or some old birthday cards with the clear back. Make them yourself. Punch a hole. Bit of all your trimmings and tails from your work. Keep them. Make a few of these. Stick them in the drawer or in your project bag. Problem solved for life.